In today's tutorial, I will show you how to use DeepSeek 3.1 or DeepSeek 3 with the new update to actually code applications. And we're also going to compare it with other tools such as Lovable, Bold New, and I think it's going to be amazing. So today, on that end, we will be using Llama Coder, which allows us to use DeepSeek V3 with high quality. We can also attach emojis to replicate a specific application. But before we get started, DeepSeek V3 is a very big deal. So if you could check here the benchmarks, DeepSeek V3 with the update is actually a big improvement compared to the previous version. We can see it jumping in the rankings up to 20% in some cases, and it's better than GPT 4.5 and Claude Sonnet 3.7 in a lot of benchmarks. Here you can see, for example, Live Code Bench, and it's better than these two models. Again, DeepSeek V3 is currently the best non-thinking model. Maybe it's eclipsed by 4.0 with a new update, but let's try it out. Let's start building with this new update. So we will test out two prompts today. The first one is write an SEO optimized teaching page for transformer models. Make it look nice, modern, and professional. So we go to Llama Coder, we put this prompt over here, click the button, then we go into Lovable, and again, test that out. Put that also into Bold, so we have, some comparisons, and we can see if it's better or if it's not. If you want to learn more about these kind of tools and text generators, coding tools, make sure to go down below in the description OFX Services website. Here we have everything you need to know about AI coding, image generators, text generators. We've got all of the links also from previous videos. And the big and important thing is that these links are associated with a respective tutorial, with a link to the actual tool so you can go ahead and use it. So with no further ado, let's see, we can see the generation happening. It's quite fast, I gotta say. Here we got Bolt New, and here we got the Lovable application running. Okay, so we're waiting for these models to generate the answer. As you can see, these take a little bit of time because DeepSeek V3 is a big model, and because all of these tools and AI chats are free to use, they are usually slow. So the importance of this prompt is to check how good websites they can build, how they optimize them for SEO, and how good styling and content they produce. So there is a problem with my wallet regarding the specific website of Bolt News. So we're not going to be able to get our result, but we're going to compare with Lovable. I think this is more than enough. So this is a website that allows you to understand transformers, and this is from Lovable. So we can see here, it's a very good modern website. I gotta say, it looks good. And if we click learn more, doesn't point anywhere. Components, applications, resources. So it points out to external links. So this is good in terms of optimization. Suggested learning path. All right. Applications, learn more. This points really nowhere. And it has no content regarding what to learn and how to learn it. So yeah, that's a little bit bad. Publish doesn't work. It makes sense. So let's check the code a little bit before we move on. So we go to robots, nice. And let's check out the page. So the main TSX is this one. The TSX application is this one. We got the pages. Okay, it updates some things, not found. So I'm searching to learn where it does the SEO optimization because I see it nowhere. I see no SEO optimization pretty much anywhere. So this is the title cards. The site looks good, don't get me wrong. Maybe the content is not that amazing inside. So tell me, where is the SEO optimization, really? I just want to ask it. Refine, customize, tweak. Okay. So yeah, I see no SEO optimization really in this website. So I really want to see what Llama Coder comes up with. And it says failed dependency. Okay. So that's interesting. It actually failed. So it went ahead, tried to use Next.js, which is very strange. Why should it go ahead and do that? So it had a mistake, and you can click try to fix, and it will go ahead and try to fix this error. Okay, so what it will do is going to remove the Next.js dependency. I really want to see the result. I'm really interested in seeing the result, but I really have no idea why it went with Next.js from the get-go. It's really, really strange. Okay, so we will wait for it to generate the answer, but I gotta say, the lovable answer, it looks very good. Like, in all honesty, this looks very, very nice, very professional. Hero section, the benefits, everything looks very, very good. So, the bar is very high for DeepSeek. I'm really excited to see the result. And because I really want to compare with other tools that build software, I went ahead and opened up V3, which is essentially the Next.js provider and creator. So we're going to ask it to create this website for us. And we can see that this is really fast. It goes really, really fast, while Llama Coder is a lot slower. So maybe this has to do with Together AI API. Maybe this is the provider's fault. You can also see a preview, I think. No. So we're waiting for the code to get generated. This is the V3 option. We're again still on the first prompt. We've got so much work to do to finally catch up. But yeah, this goes fast. All right. This goes very slow. I guess this is a problem of DeepSeek and the providers because it's a free API. I think people, overuse it. So let's see the result. This is really slow. Like, guys, this is super, super slow. This is like 20, 30 tokens per second only. Okay, so it shows us what changes it made. I really like the graphical UI here, in all honesty. Just want to be transparent with you guys. This looks very, very nice. It puts a placeholder for the image, key components. Okay, that doesn't look bad, in all honesty. It's very simplified, and I would say it completely lacks, the quality of lovable. I really want to see what V3 spits out for this specific prompt. I'm really interested to see the result. So let's see the result of V3. Let's see. Okay, so this looks super nice. Oh my God. Okay, this looks, I don't know guys, but okay, a placeholder image. I can live with that. This looks different. This looks more like a landing page, but I really like it. I don't know about you. This is the application, resources, contact. Okay, these links don't work. Documentation, get started. Okay, let's refresh, learn transformers. If I click that button, okay. So this looks, I don't know. Is it lovable? I think lovable had the best answer in this case. I think this is the best answer. And Llama Coder, I like how clean it is, but it's really lacking so many things. And this is probably due to the mistake it did. I really believe that. I really, really believe that. Okay, so we're going ahead and we're going to check a second prompt, which is an SEO optimized SPX 500 calculator. Again, make it look nice, etc., etc. We select DeepSeek V3, high quality, click the play button. So let's see what it can come up with. And we're going to do the same really for Lovable. So we're going to up a new chat. Okay, so we're going to create a new chat, which is write an SEO optimized SPX 500 calculator. And we're going to do the same with V3. Again, new chat, boom, shakalaka. As a very great YouTuber that covers AI says, boom, shakalaka, like every time. Okay, so let's see what the result will be. So the reason why I do this is I want to see the quality of the buttons, the quality of the utilities it can make. For example, we've seen that DeepSeek V3 was not able to create very good content. The UI looked good, but there was not enough content. And I have an expectation that this is due to Llama Coder and the limits they have put in for DeepSeek V3. I don't think the actual model is that bad because I have seen like videos of people using it, and I will make sure to upload another video in the future that shows you maybe a website that has the full potential of the model. Just stay around, press the subscribe button for that. It's happening. So I'm going with Lovable. I don't know. Is Lovable going to be the first to build it, or is it going to be V3? I don't know. So, I'm really, okay. So V3 is absolutely super fast. Like they build everything so fast. And this is the investment calculator. It gives you a disclaimer, investment strategies. Okay. And this is like how it looks like. And you've got advanced options and you've got a graph here. So that doesn't look bad. That looks absolutely good. I could definitely live with that, like a single prompt and you get this calculator ready. It looks nice, I gotta say. I've got no problem with that. I would say this looks good. Now this is lovable and we're still waiting for the generation. This is the calculator that DeepSeek V3 spits out. So this is really disappointing. I'm not going to even use it. Like this is not it. This is not it really. So I don't know if this is Llama together.ai, but I gotta say it's pretty disappointing. Pretty disappointing. Again, maybe this model is not for coding. This is not optimized to create the best code ever. But I'm really disappointing. It's a disappointing result, in my opinion. Like you can see here that V0, just a wrapper, is able to do such a good UI. So I don't know. I really want to see what Lovable spits out because it's super slow and it seems to have written so many files. And already we covered it. Lovable has one win in this tutorial. Okay, so this application encountered an error. So there was an error with Lucid React. So try to fix. Okay, so Lovable did a mistake in this case. This is pretty similar probably to DeepSeek V3 before. So let's see what the result will be. I'm really interested to see. Okay, so it found the error and it's going to fix it. I think this is not going to take a long time. This is going to be quite fast, I guess. And did we just get an error again? Not sure. Probably not. Okay, so this is the X500 investment calculator. Okay, so that looks nice and this is super dynamic. This is literally amazing. Lovable has done such major steps. This is insane. This is really next level. Wow, this is so unexpected. This is so unexpected. I didn't really believe that it could do that, but it looks so nice, so dynamic. This is amazing. This is an amazing, amazing website. Very nicely done. This is, whoa. They are probably using some kind of Google model. I firmly believe that they use Gemini 2.5 in the backend. Or they do some kind of nice, very good trick. But this is better than anything else I ever seen. So I guess Lovable wins both times. DeepSeek, I don't like it. I think it's very disappointing. I'm just going to go ahead and tell it to create an SVG icon. I'm going to say the most silly thing ever. I'm going to say, create an SVG icon for a computer. I really want to see if it can even do this very simple query. Because really, I expected something better. And I don't know if this is the fault of Llama Coder, because in previous cases I have seen Llama Coder, really put a threshold to the quality of the tool. So I really want to see what will happen with this SVG icon. I really want to see the result. Okay, so where's the preview? Hit the refresh button. Okay, so I guess, okay, fuck it. I'm not going to care. I would highly not suggest using Llama Coder with DeepSeek V3. That's for sure.